And what are you doing? Book વાંચે. Let's see. Where is giraffe? Where is giraffe? Very good. પછી rabbit? And then bear? Very good. And then duck? Turtle કાં છે? અંદર turtle છે ને? Open the book. There's turtle inside. Can you say turtle? Can you say turtle? Turtle, yeah. Can you turtle? એ બાજુ નથી turtle. છે? Oh yeah. I didn't know. Turtle જોવા જવું છે? Okay. આપણે પછી જશું, okay? We're going to go to PetSmart.
Go.
What does the doggy say? Turtle, yeah. Hathi? What does an elephant say, Om? Uh-oh, what does an elephant say? Very good. What does dinosaur say? Where is dinosaur? And then, what does fish say? Yeah, that's Max. What's Max doing? Ooh, he's chasing his doggy, isn't he? Bad boy. Oh, how does Superman fly? How does Superman fly? Do you want to ignore me? Boat કાં છે? Boat? No, that's bed. Moon કાં છે? Moon? Moon કાં છે? Moon? Moon, very good. પછી boat? Where's boat? Oh, where are the wild things? Turn the page. Boat? Yeah. પછી બધા monsters કાં છે? Close the book. બંધ કર દે. And what does monkey say? Monkey છે? Yes, that's your monkeys. હમણાં monkey છે. Okay, bye-bye. Oh, I'm getting tired? Sleepy time? Sleepy time. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say I love you. No, say I love you. Okay.